think maybe start from here, this spot where I'm recording from.
Huh?
I'll stop mine and you can use mine later if you want. How's it feel?
Looks like that one.
You want me to grab it or you're gonna land it up here?
I'll just
Reach it?
eat it.
Nice. Look at the bend in that rod. I'm gonna get behind this thing. Here it gets challenged, so.
Right in the
Yep. Nice hen. Look at that. Take a bite. That's a girthy one too. Here, give me your pole.
What, are you gonna take a photo?
I'm just videoing it. Shit.
You gonna land it here?
Hi, Mom.
Small fish, yeah.
Farted.
That's a nice little run. I'm good. I got another hen. Nice. Oh, yeah. Beautiful guy. Come on. All right. Come here, bud. Oh, shit, that fits in. Good. Don't let it go too. Catch up with it. Get a little parallel with it. That's shallow right there, so it's got to be swimming. Ria's coming down right now. I'm gonna start bleeding fish. Got our limits tonight. All right. You got another jack. Wow, is it clean? What is that? Look how What's up with you and the jacks
Oh, no.
tonight? That's a nice chromer too.
Put it on your streamer.